Good morning, my dear students, and here I'm going to show you the synthesis contents for this test in 2 weeks' time. So the first one is conditional 0 and conditional 1. Remember, conditional 0 is 100% possible. For example, if it rains now, I don't go to the street. If I study for the test, I get a 7. On the contrary, conditional 1, you have a little difference, which is the use of will. For instance, if I win the lottery, I will travel to Europe. Then we have comparatives. For example, English is more important than Romanian. Chile is more beautiful than Argentina, and superlatives, Chile is the most interesting country in South America. Then we have to use adjectives. Remember, adjectives are characteristics and to recognize if they are short or long in diverse contexts. And then simple past. Remember, I went to Japan last year and I ate many delicious Japanese dishes, and the Japanese were interesting, so simple past in a sentence. The readings and listenings, I will upload them during the week, but you will have them. You will have all the readings, you will have all the listenings, but from those readings and listenings, I will choose only one reading and only one listening. But I'm not going to tell you which one. So you have the possibility. And guys, I'm going to use the ones I have used throughout the year. Yeah, so that is an advantage for you. And finally, we are going to use weather vocabulary, for example, stormy, windy. The weather in Santiago is hot, is, well, all the weather words. The sport verbs, go, play, and do. Sports in general, body vocabulary, and city vocabulary. It is going to be a very short text. It is not going to be long. And guys, here I strongly remind you that all these contexts are appearing in our website from unit number 12. So at the meantime, you are working, you are studying. So remember, if you study from unit number 12, you will have good results. If you don't, well, guys, you have to. You can do everything you want. You have been very good students along the year. So the idea is that this test confirms that you have learned. Bye.